there's the little caves and stuff over there in the wall.
Oh, cool.
I wonder if there's any snakes today.
Well, let's see. Hey everyone, again we're out exploring a dry cane wash in Catalina State Park. Rocky walls, desert heat of course, and a few surprises tucked into the scenery. This is a nature reminding us who's really in charge out here. So yeah, join us and let's go check it out. Again in another wash. Or the same wash. It's further along.
Right there in that large arcade opening.
Oh yeah. Yep. Let's...
He's got his head tucked in somewhere. Okay, I can see his head now. It's like on this side. Any more? The lizard just ran down in there. I wonder what the white stuff is that leaches out right there. It's not anywhere else. Maybe there?
Don't know. These trees.
Falling off the side of the cliff.
Yeah. Okay, I think we got some good footage before the GoPro overheated. Arizona heat strikes again. If you're into desert wildlife or just love these nature walks, hit that like button and subscribe. Share if you can. Who knows what we'll find next. And as always, thanks for watching.